In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Expedia point for flights. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is first sign into the Expedia website at www.expedia.com or open up the Expedia mobile app. When you are properly signed into your account, look for flights by selecting flights at the main menu and then look for any flights that you wish to make. Include the description and the departing date and search. You will have the option to use your points when you go to the checkout page. So just browse through the flights available as usual and book your trip as you wish. As you can see, I'm just going through the usual process that is eventually going to redirect us to the flight details page and the actual payment window. The option to apply points is going to be available once we reach checkout. It is in this tab in which we will be able to use the Expedia points. So when you reach the payment method, as you can see on screen, you are going to have the option to use however many points you wish. Sadly, I don't have the option to demonstrate this here, but you have to include a number and they will be discounted from the points you have available on your account. Once you are done, you can go back and access your account page to check how many points you have available when you click the Expedia Rewards tab. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Expedia points for flights. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.